A smooth-running engine and cleaner exhaust can transform your driving experience and save costly repairs over time for every vehicle owner. Best Catalytic Converter Cleaner helps remove carbon buildup, restore performance, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce harmful emissions for long-lasting reliability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cataclean 16 ounces Catalytic Converter Cleaner. The Cataclean 16 ounces Catalytic Converter Cleaner from Cataclean is a trusted solution for drivers who want to restore engine efficiency and improve emissions performance without expensive repairs. Designed to target carbon deposits in critical components such as catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and DPF filters, this cleaner works through the fuel system to break down harmful buildup. Regular use helps vehicles meet strict emission standards, making it especially useful before inspection or smog tests. One of its standout benefits is the potential reduction of hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%, which contributes to cleaner exhaust and better environmental performance. Designed to target carbon deposits in critical components such as catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and DPF filters, this cleaner works through the fuel system to break down harmful buildup. In addition, the formula cleans fuel injectors and cylinder heads, promoting smoother combustion and improved fuel economy. Many users also appreciate its ability to address common check engine light codes such as P0420. Number 2. Cataclean Exhaust Catalytic Converter Cleaner. The Cataclean Exhaust Catalytic Converter Cleaner by Cataclean is engineered for drivers who prioritize emissions compliance and smooth engine performance. This formula focuses on removing stubborn carbon buildup from exhaust and fuel system components, including catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and DPF filters. By restoring these parts to cleaner operating conditions, it supports better exhaust flow and more accurate sensor readings. One of its most practical advantages is its ability to help vehicles pass emissions and smog tests with greater confidence. With claimed reductions in hydrocarbon emissions of up to 50%, it contributes to both regulatory compliance and environmental responsibility. Beyond emissions control, the cleaner also improves fuel combustion by treating injectors and cylinder heads, resulting in steadier acceleration, better throttle response, and improved mileage. Another key benefit is its potential to resolve common diagnostic trouble codes such as P0171, P0300, and P0420, which are often related to inefficient exhaust systems. Number 3. MotorPower Effective Catalytic Converter Cleaner. The MotorPower Effective Catalytic Converter Cleaner from MotorPower is designed for drivers seeking an affordable and straightforward solution to catalytic converter inefficiency. This cleaner focuses on dissolving carbon deposits and residue that restrict exhaust flow and reduce converter performance. One of its main advantages is that it requires no disassembly or mechanical intervention, allowing users to restore system function simply by adding it to the fuel tank. This makes it especially appealing for car owners who want to avoid complex repairs or costly replacements. MotorPower's formula works to clean and protect catalytic converter materials, helping preserve their structure while improving overall efficiency. It is also promoted as a solution for addressing common diagnostic trouble codes such as P0420 and P0430, provided the catalyst itself is not physically damaged. This cleaner focuses on dissolving carbon deposits and residue that restrict exhaust flow and reduce converter performance. In many cases, these codes are triggered by surface contamination rather than permanent failure, and regular use of this cleaner can help resolve such issues. Number 4. AUTOPROFI Engine Catalytic Converter Cleaner. The AUTOPROFI Engine Catalytic Converter Cleaner by AUTOPROFI is a premium-grade solution developed as part of a comprehensive preventive maintenance strategy. Suitable for both gasoline and diesel vehicles, this cleaner is formulated to support long-term exhaust system health through regular use. Its advanced technology activates when the catalytic converter reaches optimal operating temperature, ensuring that cleaning agents work efficiently under real driving conditions. This targeted activation helps remove carbon buildup throughout the exhaust system, including sensors and internal converter surfaces. AUTOPROFI emphasizes safety and reliability, with TV certification and German manufacturing standards reinforcing its professional-grade reputation. Its advanced technology activates when the catalytic converter reaches optimal operating temperature, ensuring that cleaning agents work efficiently under real driving conditions. Over time, consistent application can improve exhaust flow, stabilize engine performance, and reduce emissions output. Drivers often notice smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency as combustion becomes more balanced. Number 5. Solda 16 ounces Catalytic Converter Cleaner. The Solda 16 ounces Catalytic Converter Cleaner from Solda is a versatile fuel additive designed to support catalytic converter function and improve exhaust system hygiene. This product works by breaking down carbon and residue buildup that can interfere with proper converter operation and sensor accuracy. One of its most notable features is its deodorizing effect, helping reduce unpleasant rotten egg odors commonly associated with inefficient catalytic converters. By cleaning internal surfaces and exhaust pathways, it promotes fresher-smelling emissions and a more pleasant driving experience. This product works by breaking down carbon and residue buildup that can interfere the right cleaner can protect your engine, improve mileage, and extend the life of your exhaust system. The formula also functions as an oxygen sensor. With regular maintenance and smart driving sensor responsiveness, you ensure smoother performance, more lower emissions, and greater peace of mind every time you start your journey. This can lead to smoother engine performance, reduced hesitation, and improved overall efficiency. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.